it's Jolene here from Homestitchery Decor. So I want to tell you about something fabulous that happened. Fabulous, it was a pain in the butt, but also fabulous from the result. So pretty much if you've been watching my channel, you know that I have Cricut files that I make art from, mostly mandalas, but I'm also branching into having like layered files for sale for everybody on Etsy. So it started out with my 5 mandala files, and then I added my monogram alphabet, and now I have some things coming up for Christmas time as well. And I really needed to be in the making mode. It's like October 6th or something here today. What date is it today? Yeah, it's October 6th. And just crazy busy time of year for me. And I really needed to be concentrating on making all of my things, which I could not do without my Cricut. So, oh my goodness, this is what happened. My Cricut maker absolutely totally died. So it would not connect from Bluetooth. It would not connect with the cord. I tried a new cord on it. I tried, you know, like unloading all the software or whatnot, downloading it again from the Cricut space. I tried re-signing in. Basically, I fought with the dang thing for about a day before I figured out, you know, this just is not going to work. And so I phoned Cricut and got onto their support line. And this very nice guy talked me through basically all of the same things that I had done. And, you know, connect this and unhook this and put this there and try this. And I came down to, okay, we'll try a new cord, which I just happened to have a brand new cord like in a package here as well. So I tried the new cord. And then, of course, that didn't work either because I'd already tried that, and I explained that to him. And so basically he said to me, okay, what I need you to do is I'm going to send you an email. So give me your email address. I'm going to send you an email. You're going to respond to it with a video. And in the video, you're going to take a video of your machine. You're going to take a video of the serial number. We need to have the original receipt. So a picture of the original receipt. And then, you know, line it up so that we can see that the cord's plugged in properly. And then whatever your computer screen says, which in my case was, please connect your Cricut maker, which it just wouldn't connect. So then the guy says to me, okay, fine. You know, I'm just going to go through the channels here, but it looks like we're going to send you a brand new Cricut. And I'm like, oh my gosh, are you like serious? And he's like, yeah, no, we're going to send you one. And I had bought mine, like a year and a half ago. So I was really quite surprised that they're going to send me a brand new Cricut maker. And then he said, okay, well, it'll be 7 to 14 days. And I mean, really in the grand scheme of things, 7 to 14 days. For a brand new machine, and you know, with shipping and everything being what it is, with all of the backlog from COVID and supply chain problems and things like that, I'm really super pleased to announce that today I got on my front doorstep a Cricut maker. At least I think it's a Cricut maker, but I'm not really sure because they didn't tell me in the email what they were going to send me. They just said they were going to send me something, and here it is. Okay, so I'm super stoked. As you can see, I haven't opened anything here yet. It's from Cricut, and it's from Hebron. Hope I'm saying that right. Kentucky. So let's go ahead and open it up here and let's see what they sent me. So of course, you know that I use my Cricut maker to make my mandalas while I'm sewing, so that I can have a whole, you know, production assembly line thing going on here in my house all at the same time. And like I say, they put this on the front step this morning, and I don't even know what's in here, but it's super dang heavy, so I hope I don't drop my camera or anything. Give it a little shake out of the box. It's a Cricut maker. Okay, it's a certified refurbished Cricut maker. Well, let's see what happens with this. That is what the box says. And I'm hoping it has all of the same goodies and everything that the original one did. So let's unbox the Cricut maker. Let's get started. Fun fact, When I started with the Cricut, I did not open this box. I didn't know that there was extra blades and tutorials and everything on it. I literally just went to Etsy. Oh yeah, all the stuff is here. And I purchased a mandala file, like a 6-layer mandala file. And I practiced on that. That was the first thing I ever did on Cricut. And then I created my own patterns. So I worked with a designer to help me create my own patterns and designs. And then I posted them onto the Cricut Canada Facebook page. And I actually got featured by Cricut Canada. So that's pretty cool. They did feature my art in a post they made about, basically about mandalas. So mine was in there. Okay, so we've got everything we need here. We've got a cord. We've got a couple of mats, which is great if you use these mats. I don't, so I'll probably put them on Kijiji. Or maybe I'll gift them to somebody. I'm in Calgary, Alberta. So maybe I'll gift these to one of our girls here on the Cricut Calgary site or Cricut YYC Facebook group, just because I'm not going to use them. And now I've got a new Cricut maker. So there it is. How fantastic is that? So from what could have been like a terrible, terrible situation of, oh my goodness, you know, my really expensive machine has absolutely quit. So don't bother struggling with it. Once you've tried the cords a few times, just give a call to Cricut directly and have them walk you through it, because you're going to have to go through the same steps anyway with them on the phone. And then they're going to, if it's still not working, ask you to take a video and in your video, you're going to make sure that you have your original receipt, which you're actually also going to send them a still image of. You're going to need to take a video that includes the serial number of the bottom of the machine, and you know how it's connected. And then within 2 weeks, you're going to get a brand new machine. So how cool is that? I'm going to set this one up this afternoon and see if I can get back on track with my Christmas production. And if you haven't seen what I do, you can watch the craft room tour or the farmer's market tour, and I walk you through all of my products there. So don't sweat the small stuff, guys. Just reach out to the professionals. And in this case, it's Cricut. Have a great day. Okay, you guys, now for the shaky part of the video, I have the new maker set up and ready to rock and roll. I have a new file coming out, which is a Christmas tree wreath mandala. So it's 7 layers. So I'm just cutting it out now. It's the test of it. And that's the new machine up and running. Okay, so these other mandala files that I have, there's 5 patterns in total for the mandala files that are in the shadow box frames. And I have the monogram alphabet, and I have this new reindeer, and I've got reindeer Christmas tags. And then these brand new 2 files, I've got a Christmas tree and a snowman that I'm doing the test cuts on now. They're all available on my website or on the Etsy store, homestitcheridecor.com. And I'll put links in the show notes for Amazon links to buy the products that I'm using in these videos. And if you choose to shop through a link, of course, you're supporting my channel and my business. And it's awesome. I appreciate it so much. And don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell button so you get notified of when I'm putting up a new video. And by all means, if you're making stuff with my products or designs that I have, please tag me on Instagram. I want to cheer you on, and I want to see your take on what I'm doing. So once this is done cutting, I will spit it out and I will show you a sneak peek of the newest file that I have. So this one will take about probably 45 minutes to cut out the top layer of it. I've got it set on intricate, and I'm using Recollections Collection cardstock from Michaels and a Cricut maker. So let's see what happens here, guys. Okay, the first cut of the new pattern is done. We'll just eject it. So this is going to be a Christmas tree, and This file is already sized for a 12-inch shadow box. You can get the 12-inch shadow boxes on Amazon or at your local Michael's store. And of course I used a brand new mat, which I always recommend for these really detailed mandalas. Start with a new mat. You can use your old mats, you know, for the bottom layers, but I recommend having a new mat, especially for these really detailed top layers. And this is the first time I'm seeing this too, so this is very exciting. It's like Christmas, ha ha ha. And it's a Christmas tree, so I did plan this. Obviously I wanted to have them out a couple of weeks ago, but when I went to test the files, that is when the machine died and I could not get it to work, so I had to get a new one. And I did have somebody comment on my YouTube videos about me calling these designs and basically saying, oh, you don't design your own files. Well, you know what? I don't know a lot of businesses, frankly, that do all of the work themselves. So when I need help with things that I know other people are better at than me, I absolutely do not try to learn every single task for my business. I actually hire it out. So for instance, I have a bookkeeper and I have an accountant, and my husband is my carpenter. And I have girls in stores that work for me, you know, selling my products in the stores. So when people are starting to call you out like that on your business and, you know, saying you're not doing enough, I would say to them, well, you're not doing anything because you've got time to be nasty on YouTube. So basically I don't even respond to them. I just delete the comment and move on, because there's better things to do in life than squabble on YouTube about what you think I should be doing. Okay, so we've got a little bit of weeding to do here. Not too bad. Okay, so that's the very top layer of it. Wow, that's gorgeous. He did a really great job. Okay, so here's another big piece we can pop out of there. Okay, so that's the newest file. There's going to be 7 layers of it total, so it will resemble this, but it's in a Christmas tree wreath shape. So I hope you guys all enjoy, and just remember, when your Cricut breaks, give them a call and they will send you one that works. So have a great day, guys. We'll chat later.